Yeah. This one's for the young Jeremy, the African king on two wheels from Eritrea to the world stage. Let's go. Born in a tomorrow where the sun shines bright, Bini's dreams spark like stars in the night. Inspired by his cousin, Meron's ride with his dad watching Tour de France side by side. At 12 years old, he grabbed the bars, raced his first mountain, reaching for the stars, victorious. A champ from the start with a fire in his soul. A lion's heart, Bini Keep riding high, breaking barriers, touching the sky. From Eritrea to the world he flies, the African king in cycling's eyes. Representing Eritrea, a junior on the rise. Caught the eye of scouts, saw the fire in his eyes. Off to Switzerland, WCC his new home. Training day and night, feeling all alone. Cold nights, cobblestones, tactics to learn. Language barriers, but the passion burned. Took English classes, prepared to shine. With a vision so clear, destiny defined. Bini Keep riding high, breaking barriers, touching the sky. From Eritrea to the world he flies, the African king in cycling's eyes. Against all odds he pushed through, homesick and lonely, but his dreams grew. From the streets of Asmara to Europe's lanes, gourmet spirit breaking chains. Joined Delco, ready to compete, but COVID struck, plans incomplete. Visa struggles, embassies, a grind, but a long-term visa he finally signed. Married Sally, his partner in life, though apart often she's his guiding light. A daughter born, a blessing so sweet, but the journey calls, no time to retreat. Bini Keep riding high, breaking barriers, touching the sky. From Eritrea to the world he flies, the African king in cycling's eyes. 2022, history he made, Jen his name engraved. First African winner, a one-day classic race. Bini in the commentators' praise. Giro d'Italia, another stage one. Prosecco court pop, celebrations begun. Injured but proud, no time to rest. With family far, he still gave his best. Bini Keep riding high, breaking barriers, touching the sky. From Eritrea to the world he flies, the African king in cycling's eyes. Eritrea dances, flags wave high, celebrating Bini, their son, their pride. From Asmara streets to Europe's grand stage, his legacy written page by page. Doing 23 tour, 3 stages won. A hero's welcome, his race far from done. Fans in Eritrea cheering loud, changing perceptions, making them proud. Olympics in Paris, the world to see. One-man army racing to be free. World championships, Rwanda's call. An African victory inspiring awe. Bini changed the narrative, flipped the script. Western nations tried to race, but he gripped with one race. He shone Eritrea to the fullest. The world saw Africa vibrant and bulletproof, erasing borders, uniting the land. Cycling's new face, a powerful stand. Bini Keep riding high, breaking barriers, touching the sky. From Eritrea to the world he flies, the African king in cycling's eyes. Bini Keep riding high, breaking barriers, touching the sky. From Eritrea to the world he flies, the African king in cycling's eyes. Now let's go. This all is for Bini Keep, the African king on two wheels from Eritrea to the world stage. Let's go. Joined Delco, ready to compete, but COVID struck, plans incomplete. Visa struggles, embassies, a grind, but a long-term visa he finally signed. Married Sally, his partner in life, though apart often she's his guiding light. A daughter born, a blessing so sweet, but the journey